Wind noise. It's distracting. It's irritating. Prolonged exposure can result in hearing problems. It makes it difficult or impossible to hear sounds you want to hear, like conversation, and sounds you need to hear, like the vehicle overtaking you from behind. At Cat Ears, our only focus is wind noise reduction. Our products are extensively tested in actual use as well as in the lab. These tests generate a lot of data, like what you see here. Numbers only an engineer can love. However, some of our testing involves flow visualization. We think that the following videos, made in the Cat Ears Flow Laboratory, are not just for engineers. There is great beauty in nature, although sometimes you have to work very hard to see it. This first video shows flow going around the external ear. We place a helmet strap in front of the ear. Now we attach a Cat Ears Airstreams to the strap. Flow visualization, coupled with other methods of testing, helps Cat Ears to understand how wind noise occurs and what can be done to reduce it. We'll end with this final video, run in slow motion. We hope you enjoy it as much as we do.